everybody, we're here today with Tat Granata again from Florida Home Improvement Associates. Welcome back, Tat. Great to see you.
Great seeing you again.
So you guys are here on a window install today, and we're in town, so this homeowner isn't concerned about hurricane impact, but they are concerned about safety and energy efficiency.
Yeah, those were the key points when we met with this family that they really wanted us to try to address. Because of the association, we had to meet the requirements to stick with a bronze color frame, so it limited our choices a little bit, and we ended up going with a great product from Custom Window Systems that's going to really help them achieve the energy efficiency they are looking for, as well as the security they also wanted. We have a dedicated department of our company to handle all associations throughout Florida, so when it comes to a bronze frame, we know exactly the type of products that we can suggest to the homeowners to exactly fit what the requirements are going to be for the association.
So we have the old window over here. Your crew has already removed it, and you can actually see some significant differences between this one and the new window that's going into place. This is an aluminum frame.
Yeah, absolutely. This was the original window that was put in the home when the home was built, and it's an aluminum frame, so it's not going to give you the energy efficiency that they wanted. It's going to conduct the heat throughout the frame. Also, it was just a single pane piece of glass, so there was no energy efficiency in the glass pack, and there's certainly no protection for security as well.
Right. So over here we have the new window, and this is a vinyl frame, so it's very long lasting. And the beautiful part about this is, because you want something sturdy, you want something strong that's also safe, but you want something that looks good. And so you have the color requirement on the outside, but then the homeowner gets their color of choice, which is white for the trim on the inside.
Yeah, they wanted to go with the white on the interior just because it brightens up the room a little bit, but we had to meet the requirement on the exterior. Also, the great thing about this product is it comes with a lifetime warranty, so they're never going to have to replace it again. If anything, it's guaranteed against fading or discoloring or anything.
Well worth the money. Yep. All right, thanks so much. Tat Granata from Florida Home Improvement Associates.